Okay, so welcome back. So sa video na to, solve natin itong lab na multi-step process with no access control on one step. So this lab has an admin panel with a flawed multi-step process for changing a user's role. You can familiarize yourself with the admin panel by logging in using administrator admin. To solve the lab, log in using the credentials winner Peter and exploit the flawed access controls to promote yourself to become an administrator. So, access natin yung lab and gamitin natin yung administrator credentials. No? So, administrator admin. And we can see the admin panel. So, visit the admin panel and try natin i-upgrade yung account ni Carlos. No? So, click upgrade account. And are you sure? Yes. No? So, investigate natin to sa proxy history. So, get admin. So, napunta na tayo sa admin panel. Then, post admin roles. So, we get username Carlos action upgrade. And may isa pang post admin roles wherein action upgrade confirmed through user Carlos. So, malamang bine-verify niya yung post admin roles na una, pero itong pangalawa hindi. No? So, what we can do is we can log in as winner. So, log out tayo muna as an administrator. And let's use the account ni winner. So, winner Peter. And makikita natin na hindi tayo admin dito and walang admin panel na button, no? So, what we can do, we can send this request to the repeater and then kuha tayo ng cookie ni winner, no? So, ito yung cookie ni winner. So, going to the repeater, palitan natin yung session na to with the session ni winner. So, ang account na gamit natin dito ay para kay winner. And let's also change the username to winner from Carlos, no? So, if we hit send, we get 302 found, meaning na-upgrade na natin yung account ni winner and we have also solved the lab. So, again, yung unang post-admin roles yung bine-verify niya, pero yung pangalawa, hindi. Okay? So, I hope na-gets nyo tong video na to and see you in the next video.